Yo, what's going on, guys? Jordan, Modern Day Muscle, back at you with another video. Just getting some more things done for Dallas, not for Dallas, sorry, Georgia. 2 days out, and I need to get the car spiffy clean and all that stuff. It's super dirty from pollen and all types of craziness on the car. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go to this guy that I actually met in my neighborhood. He's detailed the car before, and you know, he has a business too, and we're gonna get his business out there as well. His name is Mike. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, guys, so we're here. Like I said, it was a guy in the neighborhood I met. He's a detailer, and his name is Mike, and I'll let him take it from there. If you could give me just a short overview of your business and what it is that you do with people's cars.
Sure. I am a detailer, certified ceramic coater as well. I started this business actually early this year, 2021. I got tired of the corporate life, decided to start something for myself, and little by little, you know, getting out there, doing different cars and different services as well. I do specialize in paint correction and interior detail as well. So any little thing you guys need, follow me on Casey's Werks on Instagram, and I'll get you guys taken care of.
Yeah, I'll make sure I'll have Casey's Werks on the bottom of the screen right here and also in the description, guys. Also, too, since you specialize in ceramic coating and being that my car is ceramic coated, what do you plan to do with the car if you want to tell everybody?
Sure thing. So on this one, we're going to do, I'm going to start off with a basic wash. After that, I am going to do a paint sealant. After the sealant, I'm going to take off any residue from the sealant, and we're going to do a spray ceramic coating just to make that ceramic on it pop up a little bit so we can get some broken necks down the road.
Yeah, and the reason why I am over here with Mike today, guys, is because I got a upcoming event in Georgia, Perry, Georgia, at I think it's Perry, Georgia, but it's the Silver Dollar Motorsports Park, Dunk Master versus SRT Bree. I will be there or be square. So I will get out of Mike's hair right here. Yo, real quick, guys, I don't know if you guys have seen my garage, but I need to take a page out of Mike's book because my shit looks like a disaster right now. If my garage looked half of what this looked like, yo, because I cleaned it once, you know, and it got back to a disaster. Yeah, like that's what ends up happening. Like,
it takes one day, and one day, like if you're doing a project or something like that, it's
ruined. Yeah.
It's coming.
Oh yeah. Yeah, secret rapping coming up, guys. So why are you doing this right here, if you want to explain for the people?
This is called dotting. Now, this is used to, of course, spread the product so it's even. After that, I spread it really good on the area. Make sure it's all covered. Take it nice and slow. Make sure you're buffing the paint, getting all the imperfections out, getting rid of some scratches.
So guys, we are finally at the ceramic stage. Yo, this is the first time I think I've watched like a detail from start to finish like this. I didn't realize it was so involved.
Definitely a process.
Yeah, when I originally got the, you know, the car ceramic coated, I just dropped it off, and you know, that was the end of it. I didn't really like know what was happening or anything, but yo man, shout out to, oh, dang it. How do you, there we go. Shout out to Mobile Car Care, Casey's Werks with an E. You're doing a good job, man. I mean, like, look at the wheels. Yo, it's crazy, man. You guys are seeing this on camera, but it's like, it just, the camera just doesn't do it any justice, man. Like, look at this car. Look at the lights, man. See the highlights on this thing? So with the way you're doing it, is there a process for it to cure, or it's kind of just as soon as you spray it on and wipe it down?
So this is a ceramic quick detailer.
Okay.
Has the same SiO2 nanotech from your regular ceramic coating. For example, over here I have the CQUK 3.0. This is that pure stuff.
Yeah.
But this still has just enough to make it dangerous. Gives you 6 month protection.
All right, so you were saying the pure stuff, I wouldn't necessarily need that because it's like the car's already been coated, so this is more of like a maintenance thing.
Yeah, so since it has already been coated, what this spray does is it enhances that coat. It's almost like a quick detailer for ceramic coating.
I see.
Now it still has the same chemicals, not as potent.
Makes sense. And let's see. This right here. Oh, it's a CQ quartz. Okay. Yeah, I'm familiar with this. Yeah, the one that I ended up getting at the time was Ceramic Pro. I know there's differences, but I know like you got to be careful with which product you go with. Because some products claim to do certain things, and the longevity of the coat it doesn't hold up and stuff like that. I don't know if you had anything to add to that.
The trick to ceramic coating is the maintenance. If you don't maintain the coating, you just threw your money in your car, because you want to spend it. Now, with getting a ceramic coating, you have to maintain it. Getting regular washes, sealing the paint, and of course, doing stages like this that enhance the ceramic that's already on the car, and it protects your investment, because some ceramic coaters charge north of $1,500 just to do your car.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money. A lot of money that some people don't have. Shout out to the Stimmy.
Shout out to the stem. So basically what you're saying is if you got your STEMI and you want your car ceramic coated, you're in business right now. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate
Yo,
your business, brother.
Yeah, real quick, shout out your name and your business again, just for the...
My name is Mike. I'm with Casey's Werks. Follow me on Instagram, Casey's Werks, with the E. And let me know.
All right, cool, man.